Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again. I'm here with my daughter Carissa. Hello, Carissa.
Hi.
And we have been doing the dairy delivery trucks. We're getting really excited about different variations of it. We just had a race of a couple loose ones, the circus ones. And now we are wondering, out of the gut milk trucks, which one is faster? It's really killing us.
Yep.
Carissa, who do you think would win out of these two?
I'm gonna think this one.
Oh, you're going with the cow one, huh?
Yep.
All right, then I will take that one. The 1999 first edition. Know what that means?
No.
That's the first time they came out with that mold.
Oh,
It
really?
was 1999. All right. That's what it's supposed to mean. So when did they come out with this one? 1999. The very next year.
Wow.
All right. So, first editions does hold true. It is the first one of its kind. The very next year, they put this one out. And Carissa has picked the cow one, and I have taken the white one.
Yep.
All right, Carissa, open that cow one up.
Okay. That opened easily. Because it is an old package, you see there? It's all
Yeah,
yellow.
I do see the yellowing.
Yeah. Here we go.
All right,
Get
check those
milk.
wheels out. Got milk.
Got
Not
milk.
get milk, got milk.
Is that metal or plastic?
Plastic, yep. See how the back wheels are close together?
Yeah.
That causes a wobbling.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Here, why don't you open this one too, but start right there. Yeah. Nice open.
Thank you. Here we go. Let's see the bottom.
Oh, looking good.
Plastic.
Definitely plastic. And what's more important, though? The fact that it has a metal bottom, a plastic bottom, or rolling wheels? Good rolling wheels.
Good rolling rails.
You're right. All right. Good rolling wheels is much more important than metal bottom.
Yep.
There's your matchup right there. Got milk versus got milk. And you want the cow version,
Yep.
and I'll take the decal version.
They look so different.
Are different but same. All right, Carissa, set our camera up. And I will put the cow version in lane 1. And I will put the other version in lane 2. Get some better lighting. All right, so we have that decal version with the pink in lane 2. Ready, set, race! Oh! The first one in lane 1 made it through. The other one just tipped over.
Yeah, it was like.
I don't know what happened there, but that is a fail. And so far it is 1-0. I'm gonna put them in the opposite lanes. 1-0. The cow print version is winning.
Woo!
Now, if this tips over a second time, we will have to golf ball it.
Oh, yay.
All right, now the got milk decal version with the pink is in lane 1, and lane 2 has the cow print version. Ready, set, race! This time, the cow print didn't make it through. The other one just made it through. We have a tie.
Yes, we did.
So we will go for the finale.
Yay!
All right, Carissa, what lane do you want for yours?
I'm gonna pick lane 1.
All right, I'll put the cow print in lane 1.
Okay.
This is for the winner out of the 2. Got milk coming down. 1-0. No, I'm sorry, 1-1.
1-1.
Ready, set, race! Oh, which one is it, Carissa?
It's mine.
It's the cow print version.
Woo!
But wait a minute.
Oh.
Mine didn't make it through.
Yep.
What do I do, Carissa?
You golf ball it.
I golf ball it.
Yep.
Oh, but it's in the gray. So now what?
We go ahead and steely ball it.
I am going to steal it up, but I don't know. It's not in the back. Will it work?
Let's go.
Oh. So, thanks so much for tuning in to Timmy's 10 again. Please subscribe.
Bye.